So we got another one of the clearance packs. Conference Greats. A bunch of different teams. Looks like some good cards in there. Upper Deck. Okay, so let's open it.
No, I whip.
It'd be easier to use the scissors.
Okay.
Wait, don't jam it so hard.
I'll open it.
No, it's just packs. There's no pennant in here.
I get to open all of them. They look.
There's what the backs look like.
They look like footballs.
Oh wow, they're really solid packs. Can't just accidentally open those. Oh wow, those are pretty cards. Eric Zaire, there we go. Peyton Manning.
Hey, this one goes there.
Alfred Blue, that's actual rookie. Wait, Sophia, here, just make a pile. I need to sort them and you're putting them upside down.
No. Oh.
Here, just kind of do it.
No, we are keeping the lighter in the.
Schedule, really? 2014 schedule.
Now I'm going to
Peyton
open
Manning
up
something.
the brown part.
There's like regular ones. And these ones. Different colored. I don't know what the. We only got one pack, so I guess the sorting didn't matter so much.
Daddy,
When you're done, just make a pile there.
Daddy, this one's for you. And this one's for me. We only have three. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, Gerald Lorenzen. Okay, 2007.
Daddy!
Bo Jackson.
Daddy!
What?
Look!
You got the. Oh, it's a schedule.
Look.
Johnny Manziel, Mike Evans. Eric Zaire.
The Zoltan. The crocodile.
Oh, another crocodile.
I don't know why they put the two crocodiles.
Wow.
Daddy.
There was more. There was more Seahawks on the. Chris Davis. I think he played with the Seahawks, didn't he? No. Different Chris Davis. Johnny Manziel, rookie. Rookie. ATM. Hands awards.
I ripped them open.
Well, I'm not seeing very many Seahawks in here. I haven't seen any yet.
Hey.
Careful. Just make one pop. I'll clear them out.
Here.
There's actual rookie.
I got another one of these.
There's there. There's molds. It's like Nuckburger. Is that the last package? Yeah, it's these little small boxes. Don't have a ton of packs in them. Michael Sam.
I opened the scissors.
2014. How was that another rookie? Was it in 2014? In 2013? Yeah. LSU schedule.
make a card here. Ta-da!
Eric Martin. That was a rookie. Odell Beckham Jr. Wasn't he a 2014 rookie? Oh, somebody's hiding packs. Some little helper's hiding packs.
Ooh, pretty.
Joe Namath.
Daddy. These are the ones I got in this pack. Daddy, who you got?
2 Gerald Lorenzen in the same pack. Guess they really truly are random.
And whoever got the most cards get to open this mystery pack.
No, that's a different box. Let's do that next. Another Peyton Manning. Marcus Lucas. I don't even think we got a rookie in every pack. Okay, that's all. Those are certainly shiny, pretty cards, but kind of weird.